the petitioner, it's an admitted position that final year they did online, my lord. So they have to do 2 years of clinical clerkship and 1 year of compulsory rotative internship, my lord.
Where do we get that?
My lord, the first, let's have the Roman 2, my lord.
Roman 2.
My lord says, foreign medical graduates will have to undergo 2 years of clinical clerkship supported by logbook, further authenticated by concerned college authorities. Then the Indian Medical College may charge clerkship fee rupees so and so. After successful completion of 2 years of clerkship supported by logbook, followed by authentication from the concerned college, they will be allowed to begin their compulsory rotatory medical internship, CMRI, which may be done in any medical college or recognized institute. Such student at the stage of shall be eligible to
So
receive.
this internship is for how long? 1 year?
1 year. That is 1 year, my lord.
Lord, may I submit, first of all, as far as this is concerned, this is of 2023, and this is for
Use the
Ukraine.
mic.
My lord, this is for Ukraine, my lord. The heading itself says, because as far as Ukraine is concerned, because of the war, the scenario was absolutely different, my lord. They just rushed back from, whereas in China, the scenario was absolutely different. So it is applicable as of 2022. Although my lords have rightly said it, P7, when my lords read it last, that it says precedence in future will not only one-time measure. But we were of the 2022 batch. Secondly, my lord, I would like to, I have uploaded this. Just see, my lord, the 1st May
No,
2025.
Mr. Sanghi,
My lord.
if you look at 1-1, FMG had a break in the final year and returned to India owing to COVID pandemic or war.
P8, my lord.
Same PA. So this is covering both.
My lord is written at
So this is not 1-1 issue relating to FMGs from Ukraine.
issues relating to FMGs from Ukraine. FMGs had a break in their final year and returned to India.
Where is the 22/11/2023 notice? Because this is in supersession of 22/11.
In fact, the latest one is this, my lord, which I have uploaded also, which the National Medical Commission has taken again a U-turn, saying there it is a responsibility. My lord, we just see it. This is the 1st May 2025. I have also uploaded it on the email, my lord. It says, it is stated that as a regulatory authority, National Medical Commission issues required regulations. However, issues relating to internship as well as stipend of foreign medical graduate students are the responsibility of the concerned state medical council. Means internship, they are leaving it for the state. And there are so many states, including Delhi, my lord, which says only for 2 years as far as FMG. And as far as Indian students are concerned, 1 year. And even Ukraine students, only 2 years of internship. That is what Delhi is saying.
So yesterday, Mr. Sanghi, the issue was whether you've completed your
54, my lord.
MPHC.
That, my lord, my students have researched and they have helped me, my lord. My lord, just, this also I have uploaded, my lord. My lord, we just go through. We have completed 54, my lord. This is the certificate, my lord, issued to us on the email. I have uploaded it on the email, my lord. My lord's email is having it. This reflects it, my lord. For the entire night, they were searching it and they got it, my lord. This says, my lord, in between. This no objection letter is being issued to the subject after successful completion of 5 years of study in the field of MBBS. 5 years means they have completed each and every class. There is no dispute to that. For compensating the clinical classes, they extended for 1 year more, so 2 years. And my lord, if my lord will just see the letters of MCI repeatedly, I'll just show one letter, my lord. My lord, P3. P3 I would like to show first, my lord. 23/3/2023. Here this says, I'm leaving the first, that is the name of the petitioner. Then last, 5th point. छात्र के internship की अवधि 26 माह, 24 माह होगी. Then my lord, the next letter, again they repeated. That is at P5, page 44, which says, लास्ट पैराग्राफ, डॉक्टर सौरभ रघुवंशी द्वारा आपके चिकित्सा महाविद्यालय में 1/4/2023 से 31/3/2000 तक इंटर्नशिप की जा रही है। आवेदक का उपरोक्त अनुसार श्रेणी के अंतर्गत आता है, जिस कारण नेशनल मेडिकल कमीशन के संदर्भित परिपत्र अनुसार इनकी इंटर्नशिप अवधि 2 वर्ष की होगी। Then again repeated the same thing, my lord, in another letter. And then these students, my lord, because I need not cite, my lord, as far as theory of promissory estoppel and legitimate expectation, my lord, they were made to believe by these letters in writing, and an affidavit was also filed, my lord, by me as a director P2, that you will be completing on 31/3/2000. Now suddenly, my lord, this impugned order has been passed. What my respectful submission is, my lord, looking to the shortage of time and looking, my lord, which I have filed it along with my synopsis. Because, my lord, the examination is in the month of June 2024. If we are allowed to fill the form, my lord, then in the opening week, the matter can be decided, my lord, whether we deserve it to sit in the examination or not. We will not claim any equity. But at least the examination because the window will be closing on 7th midnight, my lord, 7th midnight. And
सर ये तो 7 दिसंबर के बाद अभी दिया है 2019-24 में नारायण को सर इसकी बिल आफ्टर 7 दिसंबर ऑल्सो सर ये भी दे रही है ऑर्डर है यूपी वाला अपने पास सर फॉर 2 इयर्स।
Uttar Pradesh, the biggest state, my lord, they have given for 2 years. Delhi, Rajasthan, Telangana, every state. And sir, my lord, the practical situation is we were granted.
When are the examinations?
My lord,
When are
examination is in June 2000. They have announced it, June 2025. So it is not we are not in a hurry. The forms will be closed by 7th of May, midnight, 11:55. That is what in synopsis, my lord, I have filed that annexure that they are saying. So that is
What
the.
page is that annexure?
Pardon, my lord?
What page is that annexure?
My lord, along with synopsis are filed, my lord. The last page. It is also uploaded. My lord, should I give it to me? 16/4/2025, notice of National Board of Examination. Conduct of, my lord, along with the synopsis, and I have uploaded it on the.
Which synopsis?
Yesterday I gave the synopsis to my lord. That is also uploaded, my lord. The last page. P9, my lord.
Written है वो लोग।
2 years 2 years
Revised as 2 years. Public notice of the Haryana Medical Council. It is, hence the internship period of 3 years. It is to bring under your kind notice that as per clarification received from National Medical Commission dated so and so, the public notice circular issued by the NMC dated so and so. It is only applicable on foreign medical graduates of Ukraine and Philippines countries. Hence, they are from China, my lord. So it is, hence the internship period of 3 years allotted earlier to FMGs of other countries except Ukraine on the basis of circular dated so and so is hereby withdrawn and revised as 2 years all medical. Well, all medical colleges are hereby requested to please revise the internship period of FMGs except Ukraine from 3 years to 2 years.
yes sir for Ukraine and
No, my lord, that is, no, my lord,
That's not it.
that is not the case.
That's not.
To Haryana Medical Council.
That's-
Then come back, now they have accept the Ukraine from the.
What's this?
So we are from China, we are from not Ukraine.
My lord, my humble submission is that says, in this regard stated notification publicly issued, NMC supporting functioning Ukraine has major issues, hence last public was mainly for it. It says mainly, my lord. It is not exclusively to Ukraine and one. Because,
But there is a clarification on 93/24 by you. Which the.
but 19/3/24, but my lord, that says mainly. It's not exclusively, my lord.
No, 19/3/22. Where is the
Ji-
19/3/24, sir?
My lord, that is P9, my lord.
this one 19/3/23 पर 2 वर्ष की इंटर्नशिप किया दे रही
P9.
19
P9.
सब 1 साल खत्म हो गया था उसके बाद
19 ये वाला MP में कौन सा 19?
You are very clear.
No, it says,
If my lord,
yes, my lord.
Guidelines are given by INSAF to support complex of medical courses and verifiers, right? Major issues. That's the last of the tokens on 7th December 2023 was very for these activities.
if my lords may just,
These means and verifiers.
my lords may just see R2 of my reply.
They have this problem very case to case basis as per the guidelines and implementing advice. This issue with the approval of this. And therefore, the Arya considers this better than except Ukraine and with all the.
Lord, in fact, if R2 is seen,
I was seeing if my lords.
the MP Medical Council of.
Same is said in the regard of China students, my lord. Clarification sought on internship tenure for candidates with MBBS degrees from China. Same is referred, my lords. Madhya Pradesh Medical Council may follow the clarification decisions as mentioned in NMC's public notice dated 7 December 2000. Which is the same, my lords, that
P8, which was.
P8, my lord. Same conditions, that public notice. P8.
My lord, the reply filed by MP Medical Council, R2, my lord. R2, my lord.
We have.
December का second sub point है. 7 December का second sub point है.
We have sought clarification from the NMC, my lords, specifically for the students of China. And these were the clarification and direction given. to
No, then what is Haryana Medical Council doing?
My lord, that will not be.
He's saying Delhi is following the same.
Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Telangana.
But I won't be able to say wow, I cannot, but what I sought from NMC was, my lord,
We have. It will be complete.
complete.
That's what was supplied.
But there would be more, my lord, it is not complete.
My lords have.
This is incomplete, my lord, and on 1st of May 2025, again they have taken.
Where is the complete document?
My lord, they have filed it, my lord. As far as R2 is.
P8 is your document?
P8.
7 December.
Page number 4. देखो page 50 के बाद 51 का
एक line missing.
page 50 के बाद 51 आना चाहिए because page 4 is
See, my lord, only one line is left, my lord. That R1 is there, my lord, but my.
Last thing.
51. No. I want this complete document. I'm extremely sorry, my lord. This is incomplete. This is page number 4, continuation. Website पे जो
उसमें है कुछ भी नहीं. Last line में line लिखी हुई है.
My lords, how other states have acted is completely unknown to us, my lords. We directly sought the.
The NMC would know.
My lord. That
You,
is why,
Mr. Nayak, file your reply within 2-3 days.
my lord,
In the meantime, they're only asking for permission to fill up the form. Let them fill up the form, that's all.
my lord, we don't conduct the
That they'll
examination,
permit.
my lord, that.
Subject to, we'll list it in the week of 12th of May. If you can file your reply before that,
My lord,
let them fill up the forms. The forms will be subject to further orders. Exams are in any case in June.
my lord,
So we'll settle it in
Well,
during that week.
prior to that, so.
Will be
Now.
subject to my lords.
Yeah.
Learned Senior Counsel for the petitioner submits that the last date for filling up the forms is 7th May 2025. For the exams which are scheduled to be held towards end of June and July 2025, he submits that the dates have not yet been notified. Learned Counsel relies on a circular dated 7th December 2023
इसके बाद ही हम लोग form.
issued by the National Medical Commission pertaining to inter alia with regard to the clerkship and internship program to be undertaken by the medical students. He submits that the circular has been incorrectly applied to the petitioners for the reason, to the petitioners and other students who had undertaken the course from China. And the circular is applicable only to Ukraine. And Malaysia was later,
Philippines.
and later clarified to Philippines and has no application to China. Full stop. Learned Council relies on clarification issued by the Haryana Medical Commission, wherein the Haryana Medical Commission had sought in their notice dated
Haryana Medical, 10/4/2024.
10/4/2024 have referred to a clarification issued by the National Medical Commission on 19/3/24, clarifying that the circular, that the public notice dated 7/12/2023 is applicable only to Ukraine and Philippines. Learned Council appearing, he further submits that other states are following the Haryana Medical Commission and restricting the internship to only 2 years. Full stop. Learned Senior Counsel appearing for the National Medical Commission prays for time to take clarification as to the notice issued by the Haryana Medical Commission, as also the other states which are allegedly following the 2-year internship program for the foreign medical graduates. He prays for time to file reply. Let the same be filed. Full stop. Keeping in view the urgency in the matter, let the reply be filed within 1 week. List on 14th May 2025. In the meantime, without prejudice to the rights and contentions of the parties, the students are permitted to, the respondent, where do they have to fill up the form?
MP Medical Council.
That is respondent number?
Form is to be filled by National Board of Examination, but through MP Medical Council, my lord. They have to.
The respondent MP Medical Council is directed to permit the students to fill up the online form. Full stop. It is clarified that that filling up of the form shall be without prejudice to the rights and contentions of the parties, and no special equities shall flow in favor of the petitioners and shall be subject to further orders.
That is getting uploaded today, my lord. Looking to the positive.
CC
side.
today.
Highly well. Highly well. Extremely sorry for taking too much of time, my lord.
Common order in both. Common order in both.
Both the matters identical.